So, as we said, this room is now finished at last. This worktop's holding up fantastically. It looks so rich now as it's darkening every day. Of course, those troughs look very, very light at the moment, but they will darken up. They'll all become the same colour. And I'm really, really thrilled with it all. We have done lots of videos on this particular room, but for those of you that didn't join us from the beginning, or for those of you that have just forgotten, we put a little slideshow together to show you how far we've come. So hope you enjoy it.